Welcome to the installation of an air conditioning system with the new R32 refrigerant. The tools required for installation are almost the same as those required for an R410A system. However, it's important to check that the vacuum pump and pressure gauge are compatible with the R32 refrigerant. All the other tools are still the same. First of all, we check the measurements of the air conditioning system support and the overall measurements of the air conditioning system. Then, we transfer the measurements we have taken of the air conditioning system to the wall. We place the support brackets at the right height and mark it with a pencil. We carefully drill the holes for the support using the correct drill. We'll have the air conditioner support ready along with its bolts. Now we'll mark the pipes for cutting. In this case, we've done a welding to connect the indoor unit to the copper pipes. Let's fix the air conditioning system to the support and see how it looks. We connect the pipes and tighten them with an adjustable wrench. Another important point to consider is the vacuum. The vacuum is needed for extracting the air and humidity from the entire installation so they don't remain inside the copper pipes. We have to be sure to do it using both a pressure gauge and a vacuum pump that are compatible with the R32 refrigerant. We take the low side hose and connect it to the service port in order to create the vacuum. Once connected, we open the low side valve of the pressure gauge and start the pump. When the vacuum is done, we close the valve and turn off the pump. Then we wait a while to make sure there are no refrigerant leaks. If the circuit wasn't properly closed, we would see the needle rise. Now we should check the electrical connections. We should check that the cables are correctly connected. Then we fully open the valve's gas and liquid. Consequently, we'll watch the pressure gauge needle rise. Check that the pressure gauge has a dedicated R32 scale. Although it's similar to the R410A, R32 works a bit higher in pressure. Most of the time, pipes come with insulation, but we'll make them pass through a gutter with the electrical cable. This refrigerant is 100% pure, which makes it easier to recycle and reuse. As you can see, installing an air conditioning system with R32 refrigerant is as easy as installing one with 410A. And it has important advantages both for us and for our customers. Increased efficiency, Class A triple plus. Increased energy savings, zero impact on the ozone layer, 75% less impact on global warming, and 30% less amount of refrigerant. So what does that mean in practice? More well-being for the users and more respect for our planet. So why wait?
Panasonic,